on. Do a good one.
Stop torturing him. Daddy's mean.
Come on, eat again. You know you want to.
Stop.
Here we go. Woo! Caleb. All right, now you're just going to throw your food.
Yeah, I'll teach you. See me sour stuff, I'll just throw it on the ground.